here from Papa Cousin. Welcome back to another video where today we'll be showing you Beyblade fights. Today I'll be recording a new video which is Lightning out Drago and modified red or dark dragon because we put Dark Bull's face vault and the fusion wheel. So let's get started with my cousin brother.
Hi.
So let's do this. 3 rounds again. I'm recording this video because I got 22 subscribers, so I'm doing it specially Beyblade battles. Because I got 22 subscribers. Thank you guys whoever subscribed me. I wish I could get more subscribers from your friends or anybody who you want me to be famous. So how do you think, Chris, about the Bay battles?
I think it's very good and fun.
What's your favorite Beyblade? Do you like any 40 Beyblades? Okay, get on the match. The winner is Red Drago. Okay, I was asking you a question. Why do you think you like Beyblades, or why do you like Beyblades to play with?
Because it makes us very fun and liking, and it makes having fun in every Beyblades, like Rock Leon having a match with Storm Pegasus, and then to fight with each other. And I love it so much that it's...
Okay, Chris, so let's go to the next match.
Yes. Let's start the next match now. Here comes the dog.
Do you like El Drago, or do you watch cartoons of Beyblade?
I watch cartoons of Beyblade. Probably I see with my cousin, and I love all the videos.
Okay, so yeah, oh my god. Second time Red Dragon has won the match. The third match, I think so. Red Dragon is gonna score. Oh my god, he spinned Lightning El Drago first. Lightning El Drago's strike has been powerful. So let's go to the next match. It became like Rock Leon versus Pegasus right now. He's again putting Lightning El Drago because he wants Lightning El Drago to be the powerful. Lightning El Drago is chasing him. The winner is Red Drago full match. So see you guys next time in the next video where I'll be showing you another Beyblade battles. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.